Hi, and welcome to Student Learning Support. My name is Jason, and today we're going to do a workshop on how to give a presentation. Alright, so firstly, a presentation is made of three main parts: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. In the introduction, you're going to do the following. You can introduce yourself and the topic. You need to keep people interested, so it's a good idea to ask a question about the topic and offer rewards for correct questions. And chocolate is always a winner to get people motivated for that. On this slide, we have some useful language that you can use in the introduction section. So have a look at this. You can pause the video if you like. In the body, just like an essay, you want to keep all similar ideas together. You also need to show its examples and evidence. Now, if you want to use a video, keep them relevant, but also keep them short. Once again, you might want to do a short quiz or ask a question. Alright, on this slide we have some language that might be useful in the body of a presentation. Right, the conclusion is where you summarize the body. So in other words, you're going to repeat what was said in the body, but in 3 or 4 sentences. And don't forget to paraphrase. Give a recommendation if required. This means what could be done to make things better. Finally, thank the audience and invite questions. Now here's a pro tip. Get a friend to ask you a question that you can answer. The fact that you can answer a question from the audience may result in an extra mark. On this slide, we have some useful language for your conclusion. Now, here are some final tips. Be very well prepared. Practice and time yourself. When using PowerPoint, just use slides as a prompt. Don't read every word. Also, don't use long sentences. Don't read from your presentation. Speak to your audience. They want to listen to you. Move around the room as you speak. This will help to relax you and improve your body language. Also, if you have a long presentation, do an activity or a short discussion with your audience. You also need to reference images as well, and include a reference list at the end if you have used references. Now, sometimes we get some tricky questions, alright? So here are some strategies. So first, think if the question is connected to your presentation. And if it's not, then just explain that this area was not part of your topic. Next, you might want to play tennis. So play tennis, this means throw the question back to them. Someone else may be able to answer the question. So try the following tip down here. When you've finished your presentation, think about what you could do better next time so you can get that extra mark. Alright, that's all for this. Please look at the links below if you want some more tips and an example of some other presentations. Thank you.